Hey guys, what's up? How you all doing? And welcome to another unboxing video. So today I'm going to unbox some SSDs because it's been long since I've been expanding my storage. So I thought to buy this. Pretty much it's actually cool SSDs. So look at it. Today I'm going to unbox this thing. This is the Samsung 850 Pro and it is of 512 GB. And this is that M.2 Samsung Evo 850 Evo, and it is of 250 GB. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have the box. First, the look at. So I'm going to take a simple look at the box. Why I'm having the focus problem, I don't know. Since that motherboard unboxing. Okay, now it's focusing, I guess. Yes, it's focusing. Okay, the price here is around 9,000 rupees, but you can get it for around 7,000 rupees here in India. Okay, so let's cut the seal. Okay, so finally it's out. Oh my god, it's so small. It's looking very cool. Okay, so it's in the bundle, I guess. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let me just focus. Yeah, it's actually very small and it's actually very cute looking. Okay. Okay. Up. That's very cute. And here we have some paperworks, I guess. Yes, it's some paperworks right here. So I'm just confused why the screw is not included here. Okay, the screw part is necessary. Why it's not included? I guess it's included in the motherboard itself, cause that one is confusing for me why the screw is not here. Okay, there you go with the M.2 unboxing. Now let's head to this 850 Pro SSD from Samsung. Okay, so now let's okay, first the box. Okay, it's very actually the box feel very premium to hold, and you can see that matte or glossy finish is actually not glossy finish. It's like I don't know, it's like the black dust type finish over it. And okay, and the price here is actually 22,000 for, but you can get it around like 18 or 17,000 here. Okay, so now oh, I am actually loving with the Samsung products, and it's looking actually so cool. And we have that stickers too. It's actually looking very cute actually, like that M.2. It's actually looking very cute. And let me just focus over here. Yes, it's it says that 850 Pro 512 gigs, and it's actually very light, and it's actually having that very premium metallic finish over here. Yep. And we have some installation guides, how to install. And here we go with that SSD sticker, Samsung SSD, and I'm not sure it's focusing or not. Yeah, Samsung SSD activated, and here we got some paperworks, I guess. Yes, it's some paperworks. And finally we have that one, what, manual and software, what type of software, I don't know. SSD needed software, but it is having one. And again we don't have any mounting screws. Okay, it's because most of the cases now are tool-free installation, having tool-free installation. That's why I think Samsung not providing those screws, but it is actually very necessary part of the SSD to give some screws. Okay, so there we go guys, with the unboxing of the Samsung 850 Pro SSD and the Samsung 850 Evo M.2. and those are pretty fast. It's actually extremely fast. That 850 Pro, that one is very fast SSD. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel now, and I will catch you guys soon. Bye.